Hi guys, welcome into my life. Welcome into my life. I'm not so sure who is on. If you don't type, welcome in. Hi Jean. Hi Lola. Hi. Welcome in to my life. Hi Jean, blessed Saturday. What's going on? I'm here chilling. It's a bit chilly, but I'm here. Lola Wagwan. Welcome in and like up the live, share the live. I'm just here for a few, not very long. Just saying hi. I notice I've been locking on my live and my videos. So whenever I can, I try to pop up and pop in and say hi. Jamaica or in New York. Yeah. Welcome in, welcome in. And it's getting chilly over here. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Thanks for coming into my life. Yeah, yeah. How are you guys doing? We are almost in the middle of September. We have September, October, November. We have at least 1 month and a half to my birth month. Yes, yesterday was very cool, Lola. May I tell you? It was so cool yesterday. So my birth month is coming up soon, and then after in my birth month you'll have Thanksgiving, and then after that it's Christmas month. Yes, uh, yes, it's chilly. It's very chilly over here. Yeah, but we are doing good. You stay warm, and Lola, please stay warm. Yes, you're November 23rd. Guess what I am? November 28th. Yeah. We are Sagittarians, I believe. Oh, winter on the corner. Yes, 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 yes. Winter is coming. Winter is coming. I am gonna cry. Winter is coming. Yes, it's coming. I don't know what to expect, but I was here for December last year up to January, and it was very cold. They said it was the first it ever been so cold for the longest time. Yeah, it was very cool in December. I'm not expecting the same for this um, weather, but whatever it is, I'm planning to prepare for it. Yeah. So how you guys doing after all? How was the back to school? Any challenges? Anything to talk about? Any testimonies? How you guys doing? Oh, Lola, you retired? Congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations on your retirement. I hope you're relaxing, going places, going to Paris, going to um, those nice places. Go visit those nice places that I would love to go to experience the different countries while you're retired. Go enjoy your money, girl. Go sit, relax, and let they pamper you. Oh, you're January 7th. Okay. Oh, wow. Yes, I rule in December. I basically was born in December. 2 days only in November. So I have to just claim December month too. Mm-hmm. January 7th. Okay. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Having fun. We just came back from a cruise. What? That's my girl. Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it. Yeah. When you're working, you can do so. And I implore everybody, even if you're working, go when you're on your vacation, go places. Go no places. I was doing that in Jamaica, going to different places, trying to know my country more. I wish I did do more before I started the other day, but yeah, I'll go back and do some more. And I'll go and experience other countries too. I would love to go to Paris one day. Yeah, I'd love to. Yeah, but man, go and enjoy yourself, relax. You know, have some nice food, get some nice um, body scrub and whatever relaxation. Go on rides and enjoy yourself. Yeah, my friend is the 28th. Yes. Yeah, we are Sagittarians people. We are nice people. Yes, we are loving people. We are nice people. We are quiet people. We don't like problems. Yes. Like being on an island. I know you had lots of fun, Lola. Yeah, she sounds like she have a lot of fun, ain't it? Yeah, man, she sounds like she have a lot of fun. I'm happy for you, Lola. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Hi, Heather. Hi, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine, Heather. We are close, so close and so far away. We need to link up soon, hopefully soon. Yes, even before retirement. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yes, I believe so. I believe you are to enjoy your money, enjoy your life, go experience places. Yes, we are neighbors. Woohoo! Woohoo! We are neighbors, indeed. Indeed, 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 we are neighbors. We are neighbors. Yes, of course. Yeah, man, you must enjoy life, travel, eat good food, meet good friends, have fun, you know? Yeah. Remember to like the post, guys. Like and share, and follow the creator. If you're not following my YouTube page, please go ahead and follow me and turn on notifications so when I upload a video, you are aware. The older sister is a Sagittarian. We never argue once. She is such a wonderful person. Yeah, we don't like quarrel. We don't like fussing. If we see fussing coming or running, we're not staying. Yeah, that's us. Mm-mm. No entanglement. I don't like that. Sometimes we give a right just for peace. Mhm. Mhm. December 18. Oh wow. I'm November 28th. So yeah, we are Sagittarians. Yeah, we are good people. We are good people. Yeah, awesome. So, Ada, how are you liking the weather so far? Over here, well, I was over Poughkeepsie and it was very chilly too. Yeah, very chilly from yesterday, this morning, very chilly. But she's Scorpion, she's actually on the. Oh, yeah. It's like she's on the border there. Yes, guys, like, share, subscribe, and touch that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a video or when I go live. All right? Yes. Thank you, Lola. Yes. So yeah, it's good. It's a good feeling. Um, when you work and you can enjoy your life after, even during work age. Just go out and enjoy yourself, enjoy what you work for, you know. That's life. That's how you make life. You have to make life what it is. Life not gonna make it for you. You gonna have to make life what it is, because everybody have life, and what the life they have is how they made it. It's not, it wasn't ready made. So whatever it is you do on a Saturday, that's your life. Whatever you do on a Sunday, that's your life. So make it counts. Make it counts. Right? Yes, make it count, man. Hudson Valley, it is beautiful. Oh wow! I can't wait. Can you imagine me doing fall with my videos? I can't wait. I can't wait. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I can't wait on that ever. People tend to walk all over us because we are peace loving. True. That's true. I experienced that a lot. Even the other day when I was in church and the bishop came to me and said, "Oh, you're such a nice person. I know your spirit. Your spirit is like you'll give up your rights for others just to make peace." And I said, "Wow, how this bishop know that?" Yeah, it's so true. It's true. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Give up our rights just for peace. We just love peace. We don't like animosity. We'll run away from problems. We don't like having problems around at all. We just want to be peaceful, have a good headed person, work hard. We work hard, and we're not lazy. We work for what we have, and we want to live it and live it in peace. Yeah, basically us. Yes, but life is what you make it. You have to make life um, worthwhile while you're here. Yeah, not some people just work, and nothing else. Mm-mm. Work, and you have to have a little fun and a little playing in between. You know, yeah. Have some time with family and friends. hmm But it's good. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Like up the live, as Lola said. Let me get yeah, yeah. It's good. It's good. But at least for the weather here, we're not. Jamaica is very hot, very hot. I'm not so sure what is happening there now. We had rain a couple days ago, but it's very hot. Mhm. Very hot. So I'm thankful for this weather. At least when it's cold, you know what to do to keep your body warm. But when it's constantly hot, oh boy. Mm-mm. No, I'm always coming in November, December, because why? Thanksgiving and my birthday is in that period. And last year, December, I was here for Christmas also. Up in until January, I went back home. So I experienced last winter, and I think the winter before. Wait, the winter before? I think so. But I don't remember. So yes, I have been experiencing winter. I've winter video on my channel. I think for last Christmas when I came up, yeah. And everybody, the weather persons were saying it's the worst winter since many years. It was December gone. So yes, I experienced it. So just relaxing today. I have not done a thing since I woke up. That's great. Sometimes you don't need to do anything. Just wake up and chill a bit. If you even chill for the whole day, because it has been going Monday to Friday. So just relax. Relax. Sometimes we need to do that. Yeah. Last winter was the best ever in the East. Yeah, I'm not worrying about it at all. Okay, Eva. No, I'm not worrying about the winter at all. I'm just taking it one day at a time. Yeah, one day at a time, and be careful. Yeah, not worrying at all. It's like I know I was destined for a winter country because almost all of my New York trip I comes in winter. Most of them, if I go back and check back from when I'm traveling, most of my trips are in winter. Very rare. I think I maybe one or two summers, but most of my trips are in the ending of the year. Mhm. Because my birthday fall there, so and then Thanksgiving, so you come shopping up in them time there. So yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. It's a good experience. I like it. I like to see the place full of snow. When this yard, when my sister yard, let me show you. When my sister yard is, how do I change this? When this place, oh, when this place here is full of snow, it's like you're in a winter wonderland. It just everything just cover all these nice roses that you see, and you see my post these nice roses and stuff. Oh my God, man! When winter come, oh, everything just white, white and pretty. I like it. I like it. Mhm. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So I'm not fussing. I'm not worrying. I'm just hoping for the best. Mhm. Mm. Yeah. But either yes, we need to put something together because we're close enough so that we can link up. Yeah. My daughter's sister-in-law lives in Peekskill. Think I passed that place there, when I come from airport. I think I passed the name there. Edda might know where it's at, but I think I passed it. You have Fishkill, you have Peekskill, you have some Holy Skill. Yeah. How long you been living in New York? Recently, not long. Recently I came up, but I've been visiting regularly. Marlborough yet? It is my hometown, no, honey. Not yet, but one of these days I'm gonna ask my sister to take me. Oh, 5 minutes from Peekskill. Yeah, I can't know past that going to the airport. That sign. Yeah, yeah. So see it? Look at that. Lola. See how close that is with Heather? You see? You see the connection is right there? Right there. We are so close but yet so far away. Mm-hmm. But that seems to be close. Yeah. Mhm. Our sisters are all over, and we gotta find you guys. We gotta find you, and we gotta have a reunion. Yeah, I see home away from home, sweet Jamaica. Yeah, Jamaica is nice. Yeah, Jamaica is free. Your country is free, nice, and I miss the breadfruit and pear. New Jersey, of course. I'm sure one of us who are brave enough will do the transporting of each other, or we just know so we are going to meet at one spot, if even a Luton spot, Chef Luton spot in a Jersey. I think a Jersey she at. Yeah, yeah, I think it's Jersey, Chef Luton places. Mm-hmm. I think it's Jersey, Chef Luton places. Yeah, we can all meet up there, you know? Of course. Mm-hmm. Of course. Our happy place. Sure. Definitely. Yes, man. Remember to subscribe before you go, Jean. I don't know who Jean is, but Jean seems to know me well. So remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, and also follow me on FB. That's how I'm gonna know you well, from FB. All right, Jean. Yeah, yeah. Queens. Oh, she's in Queens. Okay. Okay, she's in Queens. Yeah, on my way to airport, yes, we know we passed them sign there. Mm-hmm. So I think it's hard to get there. You just need to use Google Map and just go about with business. Yeah, but I'm just settling in before. Oh, you are Brontel. Oh, wow. Hi. You see the different names on YouTube, may I tell you? I can't pick up the faces with the YouTube name. But I know I invited Brown Bell. Of course, I did send you a share. Yes. Hi, welcome in. And you're always commenting on my FB stories. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. And remember to check out my YouTube channel. Chef Lotan is actually a relative of my husband's niece in Jamaica. I know where she's from is Belfield, which is right down the hill from my husband and Cumberland. Okay. Yeah, man, it will get bell, of course. Of course, it ring up enough bells. Okay, see it? Is the family is growing. We just meet up on one person live and look at that. One person live, Donna go. Our own Donna go page. And we are making our connections. Look at that. Family are meeting up, family on this because of that, and we are just gelling. hmm Yeah, I think Del Brown is over by TikTok too. Yes. Yeah, man, we are gelling well on this app. Yeah, man, the app brings us together. Without FB and YouTube, we would be just only with close families that you have the numbers for. But when you have the app and stuff, you you meet so much friends, so many friends. We meet up. And it's long lasting relationship. We can make it be long lasting, and we can make it like real sisters and brothers over here. The world is a small place, very small place, really a very small place. Everybody are related basically. If you check it out, if you check it out, the relationship go right round and come right back round with everybody. hmm hmm Yep. goes right round and come back round. That's how the world is. Yeah. Mhm. Very much so. In the mornings, on the morning prayers, we meet our friends back on DMG page. We meet up our friends on the other lives that we go on. We meet up back our friends on YouTube. We just meeting up our friends. Yeah. I was over TikTok for a bit. Yeah. I go live sometime over TikTok, guys. Yeah. So I was over there and guess I find some FB friends are over there too. Mhm. T Nation, yeah. T Nation is a blessed platform also. Mhm. God bless Noel, that guy. I pray that God give him the strength to continue what he's doing because he's doing a great job. Mhm. Mhm. Right in my little district there. That's the district I'm from. He's doing a great job there. Mhm. Yeah. But it's a good Saturday morning, great Saturday morning, and yes, Noel to the world, may I tell you, this Noel is to the world, may I tell you. I don't think we're having live today tonight because he's getting ready for his other event on Monday night, so he's preparing stuff for that. I think that's what he said. Yeah. But the platform FB is a good platform. It helps you to find friends. Yeah, help you to find your friends and family in one space and help you to share your your life story and what is happening with you so that your friends and your family can see it and like it and comment on it and see your journey. It's not everything you share, but the ones you can share, you just share it with your families on FB and YouTube. TikTok is nice. TikTok is lively. TikTok, if your mind sharp, you spend your whole day over TikTok. I just ignore it sometimes until I have the time. But it's nice over there. Um, if you, that's if you like the young people stuff. You have old people there too, older people. But you learn and you see what them up to over there. Mhm. And you make money over there. They are making monies over there. Mhm. Some people are making their living over there. Mhm. It is easier monetize to monetize than any other of the apps. You just go over there, create your friends, have over 1,000 friends, and you go live and whatever. You create your page, you make friends, you get friends. Create a page till they start to gift you. When you get your gifts, it work out to monetary gifts, and then you start playing games. When you build a platform, get enough people to give you. When you play games and stuff, yeah, it's a easier platform than the other platforms. But I go over there most time just to watch and grow my account. In the meantime, 1 and 2 live, yes, yeah. Emery, hi Emery, hi. Welcome into my life. Thanks for joining. Remember to follow my page, like, share, and turn on notification if it's your first time. Okay, Jean. Yes. We are here just chatting, just chilling, Emery. We just um, here making, just talking about anything, nothing special. We're talking about our lives, our friendship, our date of birth, those things, and what it means, and how we behave at, as certain signs, our own signs, which we discuss. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Don't make me cry. Oh, look at this. Look here, guys. Hope you can see it. Woo! Woo! That is so close. Guys, that is so close. That was like in my head. That plane was like in my head. Very close and very near. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But I guess, yeah, so cool indeed. I was in the path where it's traveling. Hmm. Oh, I don't know what it is, but yeah, just so cool right over my head. Hmm. Right over my head. Guys, let me show you something. My sister been working her farm, our garden, that is, not our farm, our garden. Oh, we are near Stuart in Newburgh. Oh, you're right. So genius. We are near an airport. That's why. Um, Look at this. It's a beautiful big melon. See it? You see it, guys? It's a beautiful big melon in this garden. Can't wait to eat it. She don't pick it as yet, but we're just waiting for it to get fit. I don't know if it's fit. How do you tell when a melon is fit, guys? How do you tell? Anybody know? How do you tell when the melon is ready to be picked? Yes, that's why the plane is right there. Yeah. How do you know, guys? Ugh, I would love to know. And then we have corn. I picked some already. I forgot to put up that video, a short video. Yeah, so we picked corn already. So yeah, should grow corn. So they say when the stem fall off, the corn is ready. This one fall off and that one fall off. So that one I believe is ready. We picked some already. So it's a beautiful garden. It's a beautiful, beautiful garden. Okay, Emery, looking ripe. Oh, something at the leaf or the stem looking ripe. And also, guys, look at this. Look at this pumpkin. Look at this Eleva pumpkin. Hmm? Look at this. Look, I saw the pumpkin. Something them have something on it. Right, thing there your finger. Mm. Bye, Emery. Come back another time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you turn on notification. Okay? Look there. Look at this pumpkin, guys. This pumpkin is so huge. And it look like it already now. We can't even move it. It's heavy like lead. Jesus. It's a Halloween pumpkin. Jesus. Look at how it's big. It's huge. And she has tomato coming. Some tomato. They're not ripe yet. But yeah, some tomatoes in our garden. My sister, she like these things. So our aunts are very blessed when it comes on to these things. I love gardening. What is your sister using in the soil? Everything grow big. I don't know, you know. I think she bought her stuff from Lowe's. She buy the stuff them from Lowe's. I don't even know. I do not have the gift of gardening, but hubby have his garden every year, and I can say anything he grows is good. Yeah, man. I'm not so sure what she use in the soil. Me can't. Me afraid of ground things. So me not give in that part. If you notice, me make smoothies. I'm a cook. Me not gifted when it comes on to gardening at all. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, yeah. The soil is good. Yeah, even though she like buy soil, I don't know what soil is that, what she uses. But yeah. Mhm. But she's good. Mhm. She's good. She's really good. Her hands are blessed. Look at these roses, these beautiful blossoms. They are so beautiful. Everything, everything. It's like, whoa, look at these. And she knows every name, the name of everything. I don't. I can't even tell her what their name. Except me no love gardening at all, mama. Eh, my husband was the person who used to do the gardening. And every day I'm like, you can't just come outside, mommy, come this. But I wasn't the outside person. Coffee, tea bag, eggshell. Yes, I used to use eggshell. Yeah, I used to use eggshell, put in some of our stuff. But I don't think that's a major. I think she bought her soil from, I think she buys soil from where she buy the plants. Hmm. Yeah. This have a name on it. This is Strawberry Sunday. Strawberry Sunday. So this plant is hydrangea. Hydrangea. Yeah. Yeah. Someone told me to use, yeah, hydrangea. So it comes tag. But it's beautiful here. Our garden is always beautiful to look at. Yeah, water with miracle. It's very beautiful to look at every time. Every time I come when I'm here at this time, it's very beautiful. Hmm. Very beautiful right around. Mm, right around, it's very beautiful. I'm off to work now until 1 p.m., 11 p.m. Big up. Okay, Heather, take care and we'll keep in touch. We'll continue to talk until we make our connection. Okay? I can cut up all my potato peel and banana peel, etc. and work it into my garden. So, okay, awesome. Look at this. I think it's a name. They have a name. All of them have names, but I'm not good pan remembering these names at all. I'm not good on names. Happy birthday, Heather. Work smart, not hard, right? And be careful now on the road. Take care of yourself. Alright? Yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Yes, guys. So, as I was saying, she's very good at gardening. Not me, but she's very good at gardening. Not me at all, but she's very good. So I don't like the outside like that. Hmm. I don't like the outside like that. I will be inside doing all sorts of other things. Only way I'm going outside is when I'm going out. hmm But I love to enjoy it though. It's beautiful, very beautiful. So guys, what you cooking today? Today is Saturday. Today is soup day. Today is soup day. Oh, okay. I mean, not me. Not me. I don't plant. I don't plant. I don't plant. I'll enjoy it, but I don't plant it. hmm I'll enjoy the everything. Yeah, I don't like the outside that much. Mm-mm. Both of us will live. I'll fix up inside, fix up everything, fix up. If I even get a plant or a flower pot, the ones that inside, I'll do that. I'll fix up the inside. But for the outside, not my cup of tea. Lola. Lola leave all the cooking to her children and just get ready to eat. I don't blame you. You have done a lot of cooking already. For them time for cook. Not true. For them time for cook. Mm-hmm. For them time for cook. I'm not cooking today. We having burgers and a salad. Okay. Sounds delicious. Sounds nice. Sounds good. Serious thing. I believe you, man. A time for them. So it's good that you're living with your children. That's so good. That's why if you have enough when you have children. I only have girls. Two girls, one died. So I'm only left with one daughter. But I have a granddaughter and I have nieces and nephews. So yeah, I'm sure more granddaughter or grandson will come my way. Mhm. Yeah. My grandmother used to say, have enough children for your husband. I never did I listen to her. Because having enough children never easy to feed. So I need to listen. But if I did have one or two more, I'd feel better. That would have been good now. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm contented. Good. Good children. You know, Sir Jean, is the 2014. My first daughter passed away 2014. 2014. That's how many years ago? That's 23 and 6. 29 years now. Not so long? No, not so long. It wouldn't be so long. But yes, it's 2014 my daughter passed. Lola, yeah, she's really lucky and blessed. She's blessed. And she have put in the work, so she's benefiting now. She's good. Very good. Awesome. Four nice children. I know your one son love you like cook food. Boys are so loving. hmm I know your son is like, wow. Mm-hmm. But God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. We have to give thanks that we were good child parents so that we have our children to look back to now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. But I guess we are doing well now, Jean, right? We have um, we are getting healed. We cancer we forget or we are over it, but we are healing as the day goes by. When you remember and look back, you still feel sad and sometimes want to cry about it, but still give God thanks for everything. hmm He's good and He's merciful and compassionate and kind. hmm Yep. We have to give God thanks in spite of our situations or whatever it is. Yeah. But it's a beautiful Saturday. Beautiful Saturday. Beautiful, beautiful, loving Saturday. Remove the thing from down there, so or me not looking right. Mm. It's so beautiful. Yeah, we will never forget. But God will heal and time will heal. Time will heal our pains. To not really still think about it and remember her. But first time I couldn't talk like this about it without tearing up. But because God is healing us. Yes. Um, it was a pain, fancy as for all of us. It's hard, but help He'll provide us with comfort in our stressful periods. Definitely. May I tell you, from yesterday, it's a little chilly and the sun hot. Now the sun is getting a bit hotter now. So I'm going to get and go inside. hmm I'm going to go inside because I was outside warming up. But the sun is getting a little hotter outside. hmm Yes. Thanks, Lola. Thank you. I mean, no, Lola got enjoy our big dinner from our children. Yes. And Jean is going to enjoy our burger and salad. Yes. God is good. Yeah. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Enjoy your meals, guys. Enjoy your meals. Enjoy your meals and enjoy your Saturday. Mm-hmm. Enjoy your Saturday. It's a beautiful Saturday. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. Yes, no matter what it is, we are thankful. No matter what. Oh, you're back, Embry, you're back. And we are about to leave. We were about to wrap up. We are about to wrap up. So Emery, you went and go and tend to your look after your dinner. What time is it now? What time? It's to 2. Wow. So I'm here over an hour now, or almost an hour. Mm-hmm. Give thanks, trust God. Definitely. We're here, Emery, we're here almost an hour plus, and we're just running off. Yeah, to go and look something to eat or um, relax a bit. So thank you all for coming in. And remember to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you know when I go live again. All right. Sorry, man. All right. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see me go live again, you know when I hit the live button. All right. Okay. Right, nice, awesome. And you can go ahead and watch my videos. Where are you from? Emery, where are you from? Where are you from? Take care. Emery, just tell me where you from. If you're from Jamaica, yes or no. But if you're not from Jamaica, you can go and check out my Jamaican dishes so that you learn to prepare them. They're very tasty, very delicious. Oh, you're from England. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Welcome. Welcome. Happy to have you. Go and check out my dishes. You will love them. Some of them are very easy. You can try them. All right. So thank you so much for coming. And I will see you whenever I go live again. All right. Whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. So you can like, share, and comment on it. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a blessed and wonderful day. All right. Bye.